The next thing is similar to the G value. Now you want to find out from the given probability, you will find out the X value. Okay. Again, to find out X value, there are two methods. One is just find out, change to the G value and then use that formula to find out X. The other is just the direct method. Okay. Let us do a couple examples for that and then you will be okay. Let us do example number 4. The average salary of male professor is 99685. For a female professor, the average is 90330. Okay. If the standard deviation for both salaries is 5200 and salaries are normally distributed, find the 83rd percentile salary for male. Okay. So what do you mean by 83rd percentile? That means what is the X value? So what is this is for male. Okay. I will make different for female. So for male, what is the mean? So for male, mean is 99685. What is the standard deviation? Sigma is 5200. For female, mean is given as 90330. Sigma is the same. Sigma is 5200. So the question asks, what is the value of X that is bigger than 83% of the salaries? So this number is what? 99685. 99685. This is that number. The mean is 99685. Okay. So the 50% of the values are less than 99685. But the question asks, what is the value that has 83% data below that? So that will lie somewhere here, right? Since we are talking about the 83%, then that value must be on the right side of mean, so that left or that value will be bigger than 83%. 83%. So this is basically 83. So this value is 0.83. Okay. Now I need to find out that X value. What is that X value? That's what I need to find out. Okay. So how do I do that? It's inverse norm, because to find out X or Z, you use inverse norm. Okay. What is the area left of X? Is 0.83. 0.83. What is the mean? 99685. Do you remember before we used to write 0 and 1? Now we are writing that mean and standard deviation is 5200. Let us find out that value. Okay. So what you get is, we want to find out the X value. So clear. So second verse, inverse norm. Number 3 is the inverse norm. Area is 0.83. Okay. And the mean is 99685. 685. That is mu. And what is sigma is 5200. That is the standard deviation. And if you paste that, if you do that, you will get 6446. That is 104646. That is 104646. What does that mean? That means $104,646 is this is the salary that is bigger than 83% of all salaries. That's what the percentile means, right? So 104,646 is the salary that is bigger than 83% of the all other salaries. All right, that is for the male. Now for the female, what it says is also find the 83 percentile for female. For female, again exactly the same thing, but the mean is different for female. What is the mean? Mean is 90330. 90330. So 83 percentile, again the left area, because it says percentile, so the value is less than that. That will be X value there. So how do I find out that? X will be inverse norm and then 0.83. Mean is 90330 and the standard deviation is 5400. So if you use calculator for that, you will get everything is same, right? But only the difference is the mean. Go to the inverse norm, hit enter. So that is 83. The left area is 0.83. We are good. and then mean is 90330, 90330, and then the standard deviation is 5200. Now we will paste it. Okay, if you do that, you will get 95291. This is the, so 95291 is the 83rd% of the salary, meaning 83% of the salaries in the female lies below 95,291. So the idea here is we are exactly using the same method, but instead of mean and sigma 0 and 1, you will use whatever given by the question. Okay, let us do example number 5. To qualify for a police academy, candidates must score in top 10%. So candidate must fall here, top 10%, on a general abilities test. The test has a mean of 200, mean is 200, and a standard deviation is 20. Find the lowest possible score to qualify. To qualify, you must fall at least here, right? You need to find out what is the lowest possible score to qualify there. Okay, so again, to find out x, what you do? Inverse norm, right? Left area, that is area left of x, left area, and then mean, and then sigma. That's the calculated syntax, right? So if you are using TI-84 plus CE, you can just enter that 0.10, and then mean is 200, sigma is 20, and then do right. Then it will give you that x value. But if you are using the lower version, then you will have to find out the left area. Since the right area is 10%, left area will be 90%, right? 0.90. That area is 0.90. To find out x, you need the area left of x. So inverse norm, left area is 0.9, mean is 200, sigma is 20. If you use that, your calculator will give you, let me use calculator for that. Second verse, inverse norm, hit enter. So the left area is 0.9, right? And then mean is 200, and then sigma is 20, right? And then paste it. So 225.63, that is 225.63. There is some question in the parenthesis. You use both G value method and derived method. Let us use the G value method. Okay, to find out, to use the G value method, so what is mu? Mu is given 200, sigma is given as 20. So G is x minus mu over sigma. That is what is the area? What it is asking? It is asking area. It is asking the x value there. First of all, you need to find out the G value there. So G value is x minus mu over sigma. So by the way, you don't have to find out G value, G here. So to do by G value method, what you should do is first of all find out what is that G corresponding to this X. Find out G for the left area 90. Okay, so find G for left area 0.9. That is G equals to inverse norm. Left area is 0.9, right? And then 0, 1. What do you get? So if you do that, you will get left area is 0.9 with inverse norm, with standard norm, right? So meaning that left area is 0.9, mean is 0, sigma is 1, right? Because we are doing G, that's why we are trying to find out G first. So this is what you do. If you do that, 1.28, okay, so the 1.28, so the G value corresponding to the left 90% area is, this is 1.28, but we need to find out X for that G. Now what formula do you use? You use G equals to X minus mu over sigma. So 1.28 equals to X is, you need to find out X, minus mu is 200, sigma is 20, right? So what do you get? You get, so 20 times 1 plus 28 will be 25.6. equals to x minus 200. Now add 200 on both sides, because what I'm doing is I'm trying to do the cross multiplication there. Okay, 20 times 1.28 will be 25.6, and then 1 times that is x minus 2. So add 200, add 200 will give you x equals to 225.6. That's what you get. All right, guys. So either way, you'll get the same answer, but to find out x value or g value, we always use the inverse norm. Example number 6. For a medical study, a researcher wishes to select people in the middle 60% population based on a blood pressure. Middle 60%. Okay. If the mean systolic blood pressure is 120 and the standard deviation is 8, find the upper and lower readings that would qualify people to participate in the study. Use both direct and g value method. I will do direct method. You guys will complete with the g value method. Okay, exactly the same way. Now to find out x2, we need the left area. Since the middle area is 60%, so the outside area will be 40%, because the total area is, so 1 minus 60% will be 40%, right? 40%. 1 means 100%. So 40% is outside, non-shaded area. Since there are two non-shaded area, half of this 40% will be left and half of the other half will be on the right. So to find out x2, we need to enter left area, right? So inverse norm. What is the left area? Is 0.2, right? And then mean is 120, sigma is 8, standard deviation is 8, mu is 120, and sigma is 8 here. So 8. That is for x2. And for x1, this is x1. What is the left area? This is 60%. This is 60% plus 20% is 80%. Inverse norm 0.8, 128. If you do that, you will get the x1 values. Let us do using the calculator there. Let me clear that. Second vars, and then inverse norm, hit enter. And left area is, for the x2 it is 0.2, mean is 120, and sigma is 8. Okay, and then go down to the past, hit enter. You got 113.27. So 113.27. That is the left, this x2 value. Now to find out x1 values, similar. Okay, second verse, the inverse norm, and then the 0.8. Everything is same, only the left area is 0.8, and mean is 120, sigma is 8, and then hit enter. You get 126.73. So there is point there. Okay, 126.73. So if you want to do the g value method, you need to find out g1 and g2 first. So how do you find out g1? Is inverse norm, and then 0.2, the left area is 0.2, right? And then mean is 0, sigma is 1. That's what you do. Okay, and you need to find out g2 as well. G2 is inverse norm, and then 0.8, and then 0, 1. Find out g1 and g2. Okay, after you find out g1 and g2, you need to use g1 equals to x1 minus mu over sigma. That will be x1 will be x1, right? So g1 will be, you plug in that g1 here, and then equals to x1 minus mu is 120, right? 120 over sigma is 8, and whatever number you get from here, you plug in here and then simplify for x1. Similarly for g2, you do x2 minus mu over sigma. So you plug in that value here, and then equals to x2 minus mu is 120 over 8, and then you simplify to find out x2. This is how you find out the data by given probability or the area. Thank you guys.